Hey, I'm Martha, an AI avatar made with Speach, and I'll show you how to turn any long documents into an interactive training with avatars, slides, and quizzes. Imagine having a document with dozens of pages that an employee needs to learn during onboarding. With Speach, you can instantly generate a training video by simply uploading the documents you want to transform. The system then generates an outline, a title, and a description, followed by complete slides. Each slide comes with a script that the avatar narrates, and you can easily edit the text or content. You can change the voice, select the language, and preview the result before generating the final video. The avatar, background, and templates are all customizable. The system also generates quizzes directly from the training material. Once created, you'll see a variety of question types automatically generated. You can take your training to the next level by adding interactive hotspots that appear directly within the content. Each hotspot can be turned into a card where you enrich the learning experience with images, photos, explanatory text, or links to additional resources. You can subtitle and dub the videos into over 100 languages with a single click, then review and adjust the translations before validating them. Sharing your training is just as simple. With one click, you can assign it to specific users or departments, send it by email, embed it directly in your LMS through SCORM, integrate it into your QMS, or even generate a QR code for instant access. The Speach platform also tracks everything: who watched what, quiz results, and badge delivery. And because it's fully GxP compliant, all activities are securely logged with audit trails and version control. And that's it. You have your training rendered and ready to use.